There has been a lot of news about Modi never bought enough vaccines for our country in the recent days. Last year, we saw many headlines that India is on the top of the list in placing bets on global vaccines. But what went wrong now? Namaskar. Welcome to the Sanatan Theory. I am Shubham Pal, and this is a fresh episode of Sanatan Burst. Last year, we have seen that Modi ji gave us certain activities like Thali Bajao, Janta Curfew, then 9 Baje 9 Minute. After that, he imposed one of the strictest lockdowns in the world, and we all successfully avoided the first wave with minimum casualty. Now, what was the vaccination roadmap prepared by the government last year? These are some of the important timelines in procurement of vaccines. It started with the Serum Institute of India and AstraZeneca deal in June 2020. Then Covaxin, they applied for the trials. After that, here comes this thing, Serum Institute of India and Novavax deal. And then in January 2021, we started the vaccination drive in India. This indigenous inactivated vaccine which really made us proud. Thanks to the Indian scientists for developing one of the safest vaccine, the liberal gang started questioning the government and ICMR when EUL was granted. EUL means emergency usage license, and some of the people also mocked as Modi's vaccine or saline water when it was launched. But later on, it turned out to be showing highest efficacy in India, which is a great thing. So here comes our vaccine king, Mr. Adar Poonawalla, who signed a deal with AstraZeneca. And this is the official press release of the AstraZeneca, released on 4th June 2020. This vaccine was prepared by AstraZeneca on collaboration with Oxford University. In August 2020, the US drug developer Novavax said it was doubling its potential of COVID-19 vaccine manufacturing capacity to 2 billion doses annually under an agreement with Serum Institute of India, where Serum would be preparing 1 billion doses by 2021. This is the news of November 2020, which was printed on the front page of Times of India, where it was said that India already placed a bid for 1.6 billion doses, which literally means 160 crores. That is enough vaccine to vaccinate 80 crore people with 2 shots, and we could have easily achieved herd immunity by this time. But something went wrong. Someone screwed us up again, as expected. This time it's not China. The Oxford AstraZeneca, which is made by Serum Institute of India under the brand name of Covishield, is only available apart from Covaxin. But where is Novavax? US simply blocked 1 billion raw materials for which Serum Institute of India took contract. When the second wave was just about to show its might, even then this liberal president of this heartless country denied us raw materials. And sadly, even today, we have no clarity of Novavax production. And for your information, USA is not inoculating with this Novavax vaccine. They are not even using that. So, what is the point of blocking the raw materials? Our External Affairs Minister, Mr. S. Jaishankar, failed to convince USA. Finally, Mr. Ajit Doval, who somehow convinced the United States, but it was too late. Instead of sending us raw materials, they helped us by sending COVID aids like oxygen concentrators and all. Now the big question is why this news was never reported by the mainstream media, be it Lutyens NDTV or Godi Times Now. Here comes the Godi media, which hardly opposes the government and speaks what government wants to listen. On the other side, the so-called liberal media gang is smartly avoiding this issue. But why? So India will not openly criticize the United States, and so the media also follows the same thing. The relationship between India and the United States is such that it is still developing even today. Because historically, if you see, India was more aligned with the USSR during Indira Gandhi's time, and from there we have come across a long way. So now here comes the liberals who got a golden opportunity to hit Modi. Modi never bought enough vaccines. This is printed by the Time magazine, and the author is Indian, by the way. Uh, Now the Modi government can't speak against US, so they are silent, and the opportunist liberal gangs, liberal vultures, they are spreading their false propaganda. The big boys will never allow a new member in their club, and the truth is, this US and China never want India to prosper. You see, there are many speculations that this coronavirus was prepared in a lab of Wuhan, and if that is the case, to destroy India by using one biological weapon, then why US also stopped supplying its raw material to us? So even when everything failed, the procurement failed, the government should have managed some other alternatives. But thanks to our bureaucrats for successfully delaying executions, and nobody is better than them in doing that. Anyways, the worst of second wave is over, and we should be more prepared in future. And please comment below if you want a video on new topic. Thanks for watching Sanatan Theory.